Good evening, I'm Shameka Neely. Legislators looking to address a controversial Indiana Supreme Court decision took testimony from the public Wednesday. Some say the ruling in Barnes versus the state of Indiana prohibits people from protecting their homes against illegal entry by the police. The committee heard the bulk of public testimony saying the court had taken away a basic constitutional right to protect one's home. Lawmakers say there will definitely be legislation in the upcoming session dealing with the Barnes decision. Less than 2 months into her job as the superintendent of Monroe County Community School Corporation, Dr. Judith DeMuth is laying the groundwork for the future. During a Chamber of Commerce luncheon, MCCSC Superintendent Judith DeMuth introduced elements of the corporation's agenda for this school year. The focus? Student achievement, global competitiveness, and ensuring safety for students and staff in the school communities. DeMuth says with 10,700 students in the corporation, the district also wants to increase student performance.
Every school corporation in the nation, and particularly in Indiana, is focused on test scores and improving student performance. And if we look at it as working with every child and trying to make sure they do their best, then it doesn't become so overwhelming. Because if we look at the needs of every child in the academic area and really strengthen their academics and work with them on their needs, then they'll be able to perform much better on those assessment models.
DeMuth plans to organize a State of the School address in mid-October to discuss school changes. The Indiana State Department of Health has confirmed the season's first human case of West Nile virus in the southeastern part of the state, and experts say the virus could begin to spread north. State Department health officials say this year's weather could give rise to an increase in the mosquito population. That means West Nile virus cases like the one discovered this week in Jefferson County might be presenting in other areas of the state. The human patient who contracted the virus is recovering. And a look at your weather for tonight: mostly cloudy with a 60% chance of thunderstorms, lows in the mid-60s. Tomorrow, partly cloudy, highs in the mid-80s. Tomorrow night, mostly clear, lows in the upper 50s. A look at your 5-day forecast on Friday: sunny, highs in the mid-80s, lows in the lower 60s. Saturday and Sunday, mostly clear, highs in the mid-80s, lows in the lower 60s. Monday, partly cloudy, highs in the lower 80s, lows in the lower 60s. On Tuesday, mostly sunny with a 30% chance of thunderstorms, highs in the lower 80s, lows in the lower 60s. And for more on these stories and others, please visit our website at indianapublicmedia.org.